Good evening mga mahal or magandang gabi. Pasensya na sa late na video. Ngayong gabi sa Learn Tagalog, let's learn how to say yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Let's start. To say yesterday sa Tagalog, kahapon. 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 Yesterday. For example, or halimbawa, I was busy yesterday. I was busy yesterday. Busy ako kahapon. Busy ako kahapon. And next, today or ngayon. Ngayon. Yun. Ngayon. Today. Halimbawa, you heard the good news that your tito or your tita from the Philippines is coming to visit. So, you're excited and you ask your mom and your dad, kailan sila darating or when are they coming? And your mom said, ngayon. Today. Today. Ngayon. It can also mean right now. For example, or halimbawa, you call your friend and you wanna ask her if she can come with you sa mall. And your friend asks you, what time are we leaving or what time are we going to the mall? And you wanna say, right now or ngayon na. Ngayon na. Right now. Last one, the Tagalog word for tomorrow ay bukas. 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 Kas. Bukas. So, same example with the tito and tita coming for a visit, and you ask your mama and papa or your mom and dad, kailan sila darating? Or what time are they coming? And you got the answer, bukas, tomorrow, or bukas sila darating. They're coming tomorrow. So, that's our quick Learn Tagalog video tonight. We have kahapon, or yesterday, ngayon, or today, and it can also mean right now. And we have bukas or tomorrow. Okay. Good night, everyone. Happy weekend. Bye.